Okay. Today Yasha want to eat puri. Fruits puri. Not nice ah? Why? Not nice ah? You should do it. Not nice ah? Suka. Oh. Not nice ah? Nice ah? Oh, strawberry. Fruits. Oh oh. Nah, water. Drink water. Savu, she don't like. Okay. Come, drink water. Water only. Water. Water. அப்பதான். Nah. You, she don't like the sour one. Dasha, nah. See, she don't want. She turning that say she don't want. See? See? Yasha, why you don't want this one? Don't want ah? Don't want? Shake your head, don't want? You don't want? You don't want this? Isha? Isha? Mama? She don't want. Look at her. She don't want. Isha don't want ah? Isha don't want ah? Don't want ah? Nah, water drink. Hey, drink water. Mission fail. Yasha don't like the sour one.